Hi everyone, this is 3 minutes Blender tutorial, part 6. Create an object and add a mode. Basically in Blender, we will use two modes frequently. The first one is the object mode, the second one is the add mode. When you open up Blender, the default setting is in object mode, and you can swap the object mode and add mode by pressing the drop down button and choose add mode. The shortcut key for object mode and add mode is tab. Now we just tap back to object mode first, and we start to create an object. The object you create in Blender, we call it mesh. Mesh object provide you a foundation of the object you try to model. Let's say if you want to create an eyeball, you can create a mesh sphere object as the model first. To create an object, you can either choose the create menu on the toolbar or just press Shift and A. Then you choose mesh and cubes. After that, you will find out your cube is located on the 3D cursor. When you create an object, the object will first appear at the center of the 3D cursor. So setting up the location of the 3D cursor is important. Now I just want to undo this action, so I press Ctrl C, and I want to delete this cube on the default scene as well. So I press X and then OK to delete it. Now I want to create a new object on the center of the scene. So I have to place the 3D cursor at the center first. To perform this action, I just have to press Shift and C. The 3D cursor will then move to the center of X, Y, Z axis. Now I Shift A to create a cube. And now we have a new mesh object. And now we press Num 7, and next to the cubes I press left mouse button and I create another cone. After doing that, I just want to press A to deselect and then choose the cubes. And now I swap to add mode by press tab. For the basic concept of object mode and add mode is, you want to edit an object and place a whole scenario around it, you can do it in object mode. In edit mode, you are basically edit a particular object. And there is one very important principle to remember in here. You can also add an object on the edit mode. But when you do that, the new object will become part of the old object, and they become one. Now I just left click on the right side of the group, and then I create another group. Just press tab back to object mode and you can see the effect. And now if you choose the cube, it's combined with the new object.